Hey Lincoln, it is Matt Mick here with Homegrown Lincoln, and today I'm at the watering hole. And we're hitting another vendor for Wingfest 2020, and I'm with Philip here. Hey Philip, how's it going, man?
Pretty good.
Awesome. So you guys have a couple locations. We're downtown today. Where else
correct.
can people find your wing?
8300 Northwoods Drive over on 84th and Holdridge. We have the east location. And then on West A and Coddington, we have the watering hole west.
Awesome. So you guys have all Lincoln covered then?
Yeah,
Perfect.
pretty much.
All right, so you guys have an entry for Wingfest 2020 here. What wing are you guys gonna be having people check out?
We are gonna feature our Old Bay grilled wings.
Yeah, I'm gonna try one.
Go for it, they're good.
So I'm a voter. Philip, why should I pick your wing over the other wings?
With our Old Bay grilled, you're gonna find a traditional buffalo with the perfect amount of spices added to it.
Yeah, it's really good. It's a pretty solid wing. So
it's one of the fan favorites here. I'd say it's top 2, but a lot of people order it and a lot of people say they love it.
Perfect. Yeah, it's delicious. So that being said, guys, Wingfest 2020 is hosted by the United Way of Lincoln in Lancaster County, and all proceeds are going to the creative learning spaces of Lincoln. So guys, check it out. More information to come on time, date, and location. But Philip, thanks for having us today, man.
Yeah, thanks for stopping by. We're looking forward to Wingfest.
Awesome. Cheers.